Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarship Time, your own education channel. Hope you are doing good today. Guys, today I come with a very important topic and that is how to write email for MS and PhD acceptance letter. Before telling you step by step guide, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel for more future international scholarship, internship, webinar, certification and guideline, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So this is the very important subject. Most student doesn't know how to write an email for PhD or MS scholarship. So if you are planning to study abroad and looking forward to write an email to the professor but uncertain about the criteria, in this article you will learn how to email a professor for MS or PhD supervision. And you must know proper email is the basis for research supervision, scholarship, research scholarship and funding. Proper email is the key here. You must know that through the proper email, you can fully fund your scholarship. Many people ignore all these points. That's why they don't get any response from the professor. Carefully read the whole article and learn more about how to write an email to a professor or how to write an email to professor for research assistantships. So I specially create this whole article for you guys, and the link of this article you can find in description sections. So just click on it and write this whole article. I describe each and everything in detail. Here you can find all the main points I write. How to email a professor for supervision in MS and PhD. So the first point is how to address the professor, and the second step, the introduction of your subject, and the third one, body paragraph, your text body in your email, and the last paragraph, and what are your closing statement, and in the last one, proofreading. Proofreading means when you write whole email then go through it again, so you can read all this detail by yourself. So I don't want to take your more time. I just come straight to the sample for email requesting to the professor for supervision in MS and PhD. So first of all, your subject comes in subject. Every time write request for MS or PhD supervision. Don't write any other thing in subject line that applying for the post of MS or PhD scholarship. No, every time write request because professor has very busy schedules. So most professor doesn't read the email because they receive thousands and hundreds of emails every day. When they saw your subject line request for MS or PhD, then there is maximum chance they open your email. So after subject, write dear professor. Don't write here uh, hello sir or only name of professor. Always greet them. Greeting, dear professor. After dear professor, write my name is, write your name and I have completed, then your degree title, from which university, your CGPA, and don't mention CGPA if it's low, and mention I got medal, certificate and achievement if any. Write about projects, internship, research or thesis. During my undergraduate or master studies, I have been engaged in research project or have written any thesis relevant to my expertise include that. Moreover, I have done internship, research publication, grant or previous work experience or online courses. I have visited your research article and found my field of interest in your research area. This is the most important thing, guys, because whenever you want to approach any professor, then first you search his research interest area, and if his interest area match with your interest area, then you should mention his research articles in your email. It gives you more chance of selection. So how you can find? Just you go to any university and open their research department, and there is a detailed list of every professor and their current research studies. So always mention the interest area of your particular professor in your email. Hope you understood this. I have visited your research article and found my field of interest in your research area. I am very enthusiastic to conduct and pursue your research along with him. Do mention the name of the research lab, name or website. Also mention the research topic or field in which you are interested. I have attached my CV, other required documents, and I would be glad to hear from you soon. I am very thankful and looking forward to your positive response. Best regard. So, guys, always use this sample which I prepared specially from you. So, three or four main things. Your subject should be clear. Always use dear sir or greeting sir. Always mention your research interest area and always mention your achievement and always mention your professor research area. If his research area match with your research area, always mention in the email. So this is the best and proper email sample for requesting. So you can find the link of this whole article in description section. Click on it, download it, and prepare yourself for your upcoming master or PhD scholarship. So I give you 100% guarantee. If you use this module, then definitely you get reply from professor and more chances of acceptance letter. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So take care of yourself. See you soon for more new topics.